Okay, the ghost hunters are gonna go to a penitentiary. I guess there's a lot of bad vibes there. You know, an old one, that isn't used anymore because, they can't, like, just take all the, prisoners out just so they can do a ghost hunt. So this is one of those old ones. Ooh, 1836. Pretty Boy Floyd. Holy crap. James Earl Ray? Oh my god. Yeah, prison riot, I can see that. Oh my god. Wow. 500 assaults in less than a year? Holy crap. That's a really lousy prison. They didn't know what the fuck they were doing, did they? They're probably on the take. They were probably just, collecting the money and not doing jack. Oh. Oh, I don't like those shadow figures. You never know what a shadow figure is. It may not be, a ghost of a person. It may be some other thing. I don't know. Some thing that comes out of the, guts of the earth or something. Or, I don't know, outer space. I don't know what the fuck they are. You don't want to meet one of those, though. You never want to meet one of those shadow people. It's just not good. Oh, they brought the dog along. Oh, cool. That dog is cute. I like the dog. Yeah, that's some creepy-ass place. It looks like some old European fortress crap. Missouri State Penitentiary. Oh, my nose itches. Oh man, it opened the time of the Alamo. Holy crap, that was a long time ago. Whew.